trying to think, was I missing anyone this morning? I wasn't. I'm tardy.
You were tardy?
No, I wasn't.
Oh.
You were. Saw that on me, yeah.
Oh. Let's not bring this. That's not the point.
Okay. See, I have 4 terms. That hints that I can factor by grouping. Now, look at all 4. Can I pull anything out of all 4?
Negative.
Nope.
No. Okay, so, but that's the first thing you need to ask is, can I take a GCF? So since I can't, line down the middle. What can I pull out of the front? A y. What's left? X minus 5. That plus is still there, right there where I have my line. Now what do these have in common?
A 3.
A 3. When I pull out a 3, I have x minus 5. Now I have these 2 terms that have x minus 5 in common, so I pull it out, I'm left with y plus 3. Voila. Now, let me ask a question. Since I do a line down the middle, I separate it into 2 terms, 2 terms. So, order. Matter or not?
No.
Yes. I don't know. How would I answer?
Yeah.
Well, up here it's addition, multiplication, but sometimes, if the problem works out, I should say, it doesn't matter. But not every problem works out. Okay? So, when I look at this, what I mean, I could rearrange this. Let's say I switch these 2. I have xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15. And then I drew the line down the middle. What could I pull out of the front? X. I'd be left with y plus 3. Now be careful over here, what do they have in common? A negative 5, correct? Especially because you want that first term, you want to take out a negative. So y plus 3, because a negative divided by negative is positive. So then you can pull out a y plus 3, and I have x minus 5, which is the same thing we had. It doesn't matter which set of parentheses is in front. So if it's a problem that actually works out, it doesn't really matter. Okay? But you should be thinking, if I had switched like these 2 terms, xy minus 15, 3x minus 5y, well, that's an issue, correct? Because these have nothing in common and these don't. So, yes and no. I can rearrange it and still get the same answer. But if I rearrange it and can't pull anything out, you can't do it that way. So sometimes order matters, sometimes it doesn't. Does that make sense? Okay, let's do another. Let's throw some